if you want to give your logo a unique look and make your logo awesome with AI. In this video we're going to do it together. First, go to the Krea.ai website. I put the address in the description for you. Click on the sign up button and sign up with your email or Google account. After signing up, the main page of the website will open for you. The Krea.ai offers various tools, which we'll explore more in the future. For now, we'll work with the logo tool. Scroll down and click on Logo Illusions. Once you enter this page, you'll see various logos that you can choose one, or you can upload your own logo here. Next, adjust the clarity and intensity of the logo. Here, you can write the prompt you want, or you can randomly select a prompt. And click Generate. The result is really interesting. The logo has blended nicely with the image. I'll try it again with the Instagram logo. The prompt it gives is Ice Citadel, Frost Mages and Snow Beasts in a cool fantasy anime style. I'll click on Generate. The output is amazing. Icy Instagram logo. I'm going to try it again with random prompt. Mechanical city moving on colossal wheels, steaming engines in a mecha steampunk anime style. This prompt is interesting. I'll generate it. This tool is amazing. You can get better results with your own ideas. By experimenting with different prompts and settings, you'll become more familiar with this tool. You can also give the generated image to a video AI and create a logo motion. Thank you for your support. If you like these kinds of videos, please like them